We have a very exciting job today. We are giving away a Roadrunner, a generator, a J150, and an entire package to a very lucky young individual. We decided to do a drone package giveaway a few weeks ago. It was really tough to pick that right person. We had dozens of applicants who signed up, but we found that right person, Braxton Brand in southern Iowa. He's completed 1 year of a spray business with a J100. He covered almost 5,000 acres. Actually, by the time we get there, probably 5,000 acres in his first year. He paid off his equipment in that first year. He's still in high school, and he was already planning on growing his business. And his story really embodied everything that we do at Agri Spray Drones. Our values of integrity, education, and service. We are incredibly excited to bring this drone to him, and we're actually surprising him. He doesn't know that we're coming up there right now. His dad knows, actually his whole family knows. They've been holding in this secret for 2 weeks now. We just got here, the family's all here, they're in on the game. Now they've got their own surprise that they want to do for Braxton, so we're gonna see what they have in store, how they want to set this up, and then we're gonna give away a drone. Hey, thanks. I'm Taylor.
Taylor, Corey Brand.
Nice to meet you, Corey. You guys are all in on this now.
Yeah, we're all in on this.
Yeah, well, he sounds like a very motivated individual.
He is.
Yeah. And that was really a big part of this, is we wanted to find someone, a young person who started a business and was, putting their heart and soul into it, right? And it kind of seems like, at least from our point of view, that's what's happening.
Well, can we get unboxed?
Yeah, you want to set it up right out here?
Yeah, right here.
Before he gets out.
Yeah, before he gets out here. I'd love to have him sitting on the ground.
Well, as we got closer to your farm, I was looking out at the kind of ground you guys run, and it seems like this is going to be perfect type of ground for this drone. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Ooh.
Braxton?
Taylor?
Nice to meet you in person.
Yeah.
Now, do you remember a few weeks ago whenever you entered a contest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Congratulations.
They were coming today.
You've won. You're it.
Thank you.
Well, you're very welcome. You earned it. I mean, to be honest with
Thank
you. We had a lot of applicants, and your story really embodied exactly what we want to achieve, empowering rural America. And that's exactly what you're doing for yourself, for your family, and being a leader in your community and doing so.
That is. I didn't know what I was.
Did you know that they were all in on this too?
No,
Did you know?
No.
You had no idea.
No. Congratulations. No idea.
Yeah.
You guys said, I got an email about announcing it this week, and I was like, wonder when that's going to be.
Yeah. Drone, Roadrunner, and the back seat's fully batteries and charger. It's a full setup. Yeah, let's take a look. Everything's unloaded. They were gracious enough to provide us with lunch, which was awesome. Thanks again for entering. Thanks for being a rock star in this industry. We are really excited to be working with you and supporting you through your journey. Congratulations on winning.
Thank you.
What's the first job for the drone?
I think we have a cover crop job calling her name here this week. But yeah, I think we got some pastures coming up, but it'll definitely get put to use this year.
Cover crop and pastures.
Yep.
Looking forward to it. Let's bring those TikTok videos out now.
It will be seen.
All right. Thanks again.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Bye.